Here, Blackie. Kitty, 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 kitty.
Come on. Come
Here,
on.
here, kitty, 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 kitty. Should have brought a treat. How are you feeling today?
Okay. That's hard.
Well, tell me what you did today.
Wait till I get my breath. Come on, Blackie. Come on.
Here, Blackie.
Come on. Blackie. Come here.
There. He's just checking it out.
Hope we don't get under something. Blackie.
Come here, Blackie. Kitty, 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 kitty. There's Blackie. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Blackie. Blackie. Ever.
He's just checking everything out, Mother.
Come on. Blackie. Come on, Blackie.
Think he likes staying here with you?
Oh, come on.
Tell me what you did today.
I'm all in.
You did a lot of work today?
Well, I got a sick cough. And I asked the lady helping me if I could sit up on the edge of the bed and get in my wheelchair. So I wouldn't have to be in that big machine.
Uh-huh.
They helped me out. They just steadied me, and I got in the chair. And they dressed me before I got up.
Yeah.
And then I went downstairs 6. It was real early. And they didn't have dinner till about 7:30. I sit down and I ate breakfast. And I think it took my blood sugar. Well, then I come back upstairs. In between them, they doing all kinds, like Tylenol, and this and that, all kinds of medicine. And then I had to go to the bathroom after I ate. So I come up here and went to the bathroom. And I done pretty good, I guess. They said I done good. Then come back up here. And then I went all over the floor with my legs. I can't put my feet down like that and go yet. My heels. Then I went to sleep. Slept quite a while. It was lunchtime. they take my lunch, my blood sugar, it was 84. In the meantime, somebody checked and wanted to know what I wanted for dinner. I said roast, mashed potatoes and gravy, peas, some soup, and a piece of cake. Okay, I got the mashed potatoes and the soup. I didn't get no meat. I got the soup. It was soup. Nothing but soup.
That was for lunch today?
That's what I ate.
Uh-huh.
They better. I hope so. I ate 2 things of crackers and all the soup and the cake. So I think that will make me. And then they brought me out of lunch. Today there's always somebody, not enough people here. You have to sit and wait on everything. And they brought me up here then. I know. I was sitting there waiting, and I had been practicing with my legs, and I thought, I just told one woman, I said, I'll go as far as I can, but I'd like to try. Well, I made it up.
So you come down all the way down the hallway by yourself. That's good.
It was slow.
Well, that's because it's on the carpet, so that makes it harder.
It
was on the carpet, but that makes it harder, but you've got some exercise.
And then I come in